of course, all the benefits that you have with the array task, for example, the array factor with the dynamic excitation list, these are also still applicable here. The domain decomposition is also, of course, well suited for MPI calculations, and therefore much work has gone into stabilizing and make it viable now. Note that this functionality will actually become available for you in one of the service packs. This is a optimization that was previously available for high frequency, but we are seeing now promising results and good results on the benchmarks that we have done for high frequency applications. We have here ultra wideband example, and what it is we defined a metal sheet over a finite ground. It's also possible now for the mesh to make larger movements, and ensuring still a good mesh quality. So you can have a look here. It's an additional speed up that you get only by upgrading your studio version to the newer version 2024. This feature is very useful when we're dealing with large structures which are fairly flat surfaces, and this is something that we have in recent years worked a lot to improve its simulation. This is another topic that we have actively been working, and I'm quite involved as well in the Python integration automation there. For the ASCII export now, we can trigger it directly here from this notebook. So this makes a lot easier, I would say, to work with the data, or even let your bigger models run on a multi-node MPI configuration with up to 2.8 terabytes of RAM. To give you a glimpse of the roadmap as a whole, distributed computing is the next milestone that we have for the cloud computing, and this you can expect to be available soon.